Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me, patient.
Hey my baby dolls, quickly before I start this new vlog, I want to show you guys this gorgeous unit by Gorgeous Hair. This is their 4x4 lace bohemian style wig. The length of this hair is 24 inches long and this lace is 4x4. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the whole installment. This is a quick install, very quick and easy. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey my baby dolls, so today as you guys saw by the title in the intro, what this video consists of today, and I'm very excited because this is a very beautiful unit. This is going to be a quick installation, not long video at all, so which is great because we all love a quick install with hair, right? So this is the unit here, which I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. It's gorgeous. First, before installing the unit quickly, I do want to share with you guys what I received in my package. Love the packaging, love the dust bag that it comes with. So different than all of the rest of the dust bags that I usually get. Very great quality. Like, just look at the packaging. I love goodies in the bag, so I received this, which I can definitely keep and travel with. I have a band just in case I want to add this to the wig. I have some bobby pins here, and I also have some clips. Okay, we all need hair clips, a baby hair comb, which we all need for our hair, and we definitely need some tweezers to pluck the hair. So I never received tweezers with my wig, any of my hair before, so I love this. Definitely different, and everything about this is just so, like, it gives very much high quality, which I love. I love great packaging, and it's just overall really nice. Also received the wig cap, which I already have on. 2 scarves. I love my scarves, so thank you so much for these beautiful scarves. Yeah, both are really, really gorgeous, so thank you so much for the goodies. And also a pair of some pretty earrings. Like, thank you. And this is the unit, so I'm going to quickly install, you guys, so you don't have to worry about gluing all around your hairline, which takes up most of your time. This is just a 4x4 room of lace, as you can see. Like, about here to here, that's only the amount of room of space that you do have. Look at that. It's really nice. So I don't have to do much plucking, but I am, of course, going to put a little bit of foundation in the wig, and I'm going to just use my spray. And the wig is naturally flat. Like, look how flat this hair is already. So I end up taking the wig off to cut the lace off, and as you guys can see, it's pretty much laying down without any glue. Really, really good. And I'm just right here adjusting it, and I just wanted to say that because I didn't say it in the video. Like, I hardly have to glue it down because look, it's already laying. So I just want y'all to see that, like, it's already laying flat. Like, I hardly need to put anything down, to be honest. Just for my liking, I'm gonna go in and just pluck a little bit. But so far, like, the hair looks so, look, the hair is just gorgeous. It's some really, really pretty hair. So I'm done plucking. Like, look at this hair. I haven't even glued it on. This is not me. I have not glued it on, y'all. Like, look, this is not glued on at all. Like, I don't even think I need to. It's like, it's not going nowhere either, as you guys can see. Where is it going? Nowhere. Nowhere. And this is 24 inches long, and it's just so beautiful. The curls are gorgeous. I have not done anything to this hair. Like, wow. Like, thumbnail. Amazing. Amazing. Minimum shedding. There's literally no shedding. I can run my hands through this hair, no problem at all. It's so soft, so luscious, great, amazing quality. 10/10. Like, it broke the scale for me, honestly. Like, love it. I'm gonna turn to the back so you guys can see how it looks in the back. But overall, really pretty hair. Y'all tell me what you guys think. From the looks of it, I will definitely go down below and click the link and purchase this wig. And if I do have a discount code, it will be linked down below too. The direct link to this hair will be listed. Y'all, it's a gorgeous unit. I didn't even glue it down. This is not even a glue down wig. Like, y'all know how long I've been waiting for a wig that I don't have to glue. This is literally glueless. If you want to glue it, you can, but if you don't have to, it's beautiful. So I love you guys. Let me know what you think about the hair. Definitely will purchase. Yeah, great company, great brand. Love the hair, good quality. That's it.